everyone. I hope we are all doing great. So today we'll start to study a new lesson on the class book, and it is unit 14. Okay, we will study about unit 14, and here as usual on the first lesson we have to learn about some new vocabularies, and we have these vocabularies, and all of these vocabularies, they are about school things. Okay, so now let's listen to their pronunciations, and later I'm going to tell you their meanings. Okay,
Listening 112. Listen and point.
Paint. Paintbrush. Calculator. Lunchbox. Dictionary. PE kit. Backpack. Apron.
so now dear students, the first word is paint. Paint as a noun it means boya, but as a verb it means boya kirden. When you color a surface, when you color an area, something like that. واتب وشي paint اگر بكو verb بكاري بين واتب boya kirden. بون منتو boy شوينك اكي boy ديوارك اكي. Okay. بلام وكو noun it means boya كخوي وكو واتم سطلة boya. Is it clear? Okay. So if I want to put this word into a sentence, for example, I'm going to say, did you paint your room? Okay, did you paint your room? I used did because the next lesson is about grammar, and we should study about past simple question form. That's why I used this sentence. Okay, did you paint your room? Something like that. Next word is paintbrush. For example, if we want to paint a place or a surface, of course we need to use a paintbrush. So paintbrush, it means فلچة أو فلچة كبويا كي بيكي. جابوها شيء الله أما درباري school function لبروي هردو أما لart room لا teacher جوان وانيا أتوان دا stamp كبت. Right? So next word we have calculator. Okay, calculator. أمر بشوكية. You can use it to math lesson. درزي بالكاري بكارينين. Okay. أتواني بتابتي بو بابتي times or addition أوانا بكاريان بينين. So that's calculator. And next word we have lunchbox. Lunchbox زور بي زورتان. أزان معناه چیه لبروی زوربتان پیتان بو بکارتان اهنا لخوندنگا. Right? So lunchbox أو بوكسه كتو جمع خوراكي كيتي أكي لقل خوتابي بو سكول بو چي أجل lunchbox لبروي خواردني لانچي تيكين جمعي لانچي تيكين لبروي ناتواني اما دينر لسكول نام خوين لبرو تنها لانچ لا طابخانة خواردن أخوين لبرو خواردني لانچي تيكين بو بيوتر lunchbox وزوربش تان أتانينا وبرتانا كلا fruit. Do you remember? So let me put these three words into a sentence. For example, paintbrush. Did you bring the paintbrush? Okay, did you bring the paintbrush? Calculator, for example, I have a smart calculator. And for lunchbox, my lunchbox is full of fruit. My lunchbox is full of fruit. Okay, so next we have dictionary. أما بو English language زور gringa يخبابلن بو English lesson. لرجع dictionary وأتواني تبكي you can find out the words meaning. أتواني تو معناه وشكان. But that's بيني أوي كنايزاني of course. Right? Is it clear? And I myself, I have a lot of dictionaries. من dictionaries زورم هي. هو ما إيش لقل جوربوني تمن تانا كتونا grade تكاني تبتابتي إتر grade 5 فوا you have to use dictionary I think. بيست إتر dictionary بكاربيني. باش أقول لمن dictionary is like a book and you can find out the words meaning. واتا وشكاين لدرني إنجا dictionary هربو English language نيمانا بۆ زۆری لانگویجەکانی دنیا ئەتوانی تۆ بەکاری بێنی مثلا for French language, for Arabic language, for Spanish language, something like that. Okay? For all of the language, or all of the language has its own dictionary. هەمووی لانگویجەکان dictionary خوانیان هەیە. Next word we have PE kit. ئەمە زۆر بەلای ئێوە جلێکی جوانە لەبەرەوەی جلی PE. PE, it means physical education. واتە physical education, what does it mean? واتە پەروەردەی بەدەنی و خود پەروەردەی جەسەدی. واتە ئێمە لە دەرزی PE لای تیچە شارۆی گوڵ وانیان لێرە وسڵامان هەیە بۆ تیچە شارۆش بۆ تیچە جوانیش بە هەمان شێوە ئێوە لە کاتی PE ئەبێ چی لەبەرکەن you have to have PE kit واتە جلی وەرزشەکانتان. ئۆکەی گوڵی من کە ئانی چی بچین a t-shirt, socks, a short with trainers or running shoes. Okay? بەکالە ئەتوانی بڵێن trainers ئەتوانی پێشی بڵێن running shoes. Next word we have backpack. How can you keep your PE kit? چۆن ئەتوانی تۆ جلی وەرزشەکەت بپارێزی؟ You have to put it in the backpack. So backpack ئەو جانتایە کە کۆڵە پشت و ئێمە ئەتوانین پێداویستەکانی قوتابخانەی تێکەی مەرج نییە PE kit بێ ئەتوانین دیکشنەرەکەتی تێکەی you can put your calculator, you can put your paintbrush, something like that. And the last word we have apron. باوکی من ئەو شێ بەو شێوەی نەخوێنین تۆ بڵێ apron. It's not apron because we have short vowel sound O. It's not long vowel sound O. So at this time we can't say apron. It's apron. Okay? Apron. So, apron, it means, for example, when you want to paint somewhere or when you want to paint your picture, at this time you have to use this material, this thing, okay? And it can keeps you and you will not be dirty. Apron, okay? That's all about the words. And let's put these words into a sentence as well. For example, if we want to put this word dictionary into a sentence, you can ask someone or you can ask your friend and use past simple question form. So at this time you have to ask in this way. Did you get your English dictionary? Did you get your English dictionary? And the answer will be yes, I did, or no, I didn't. And for this word PE kit, you can ask, did you have your PE kit? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Okay? And for example, if we want to put this word backpack, you can say, I have a pink backpack. My backpack is very big. My backpack is a new one, something like that. Okay? And for the last word, which is apron, for example, you can say, did you use your apron during painting? Or my apron is very dirty, so I can't use it anymore. Okay, so that's all about the sentences. What should you do with the vocabularies? You have to rewrite these words in your notebooks, and please skip a small space to write down the sentences. Okay, and at this time I'm not going to put these the words into a sentences for you because I did it orally. Okay, من بعد دمی پیاموتی گویی من تو خود واره بهر روشه کن سنتنس کی ببنوسه خود دوانی ببنوسه دانه کیش بکشن ابی. Okay, don't worry. خود بیان خرنا سنتنس. اتوانی سنتنس کن ببنوسی. والام چی بکی. You have to be aware about their spelling. Okay, and all of these sentences, they should be meaningful and correct. Okay, so that's all about the words. And then if you come down here, we have this story. As we usual, we will watch the story and later I'll read it for you. So now let's watch the story together.
Did you have a good day?
No, First we had PE, but I didn't have my PE kit. Next, we had maths, but I didn't have my calculator. Then we had lunch, but I didn't have my lunchbox.
What did you eat?
Amy had some of my lunch. Then we had art, and Amy dropped her paint. The paint went onto my clothes.
But you have an apron for art.
My apron, my calculator, and my PE kit were in my backpack, and my backpack was at home.
Amy didn't have her backpack? I don't believe it.
So now, dear students, let me read this story for you. And here, this is the title. Did you have a good day at school? Okay, it asks a question. Did you have a good day at school? And then if you come down here, we have 4 pictures. On the first picture, the first speaker is mom. And she asked a question and she said, did you have a good day? Amy said, no, first we had PE, but I didn't have my PE kit. Okay, number 2. Amy said, next we had math, but I didn't have my calculator. Number 3. Amy is speaking again. Okay, in the third picture, I mean. Then we had lunch, but I didn't have my lunch box. Mom said, what did you eat? Okay, she asked a question and she said, what did you eat? Max said, Amy had some of my lunch. Amy had some of my lunch. Picture 4. Max said, then we had art and Amy dropped her paint. Amy dropped her paint. The paint went onto my clothes. Okay. But you have an apron for art. My apron, my calculator, and my PE kit were in my backpack, and my backpack was at home. And Leo said, Amy didn't have her backpack. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. So that's this story. And at home you can read it twice and you can act this story with your family members. Okay, and here we have this word. It is a verb, and drop, it means قولي من بون منكتو لكاتي بين كرنا دلوبك أرجت سجلكت ياخد أتكيت سجلكت. So drop, it means كان سرشتك ياخد شتك برجب كت سرشتك بتاعتي بو liquid things بكار يعني بوش تيشل عادة تيشل dropك وقت أرجت ياخد أتكيت سرشتك ترباشة قولي من. So that's all about this story. And here if you move to the next page, there is lesson 2 grammar. It's about grammar, and actually we will study this subject on the grammar book in the next video. It means the next video will be about grammar subject and we will use our grammar book. So please skip this page and move to the next one. Here we have this song. The title is Did You Have a Good Day? Dear student, this song has written with past simple question form. Okay, and we will study this subject in the next lesson or in the next video, I mean. But now we will listen to the audio and later I'll read it for you. So at home you have to rewrite this song on your notebooks and please try to sing this song. Okay, so now let's listen to this song together.
Listening 114. Listen and sing. Did you have a good day?
Did you have a good day at school today? Did you paint a picture at school today? Did you play a new game at school today? Did you have lots of fun? Did you like your lessons at school today? Did you help your teacher at school today? Did you have a good day at school today? Did you have
lots of fun.
So now I would like to read this song for you. The title is Did You Have a Good Day? Did you have a good day at school today? Did you paint a picture at school today? Did you play a new game at school today? Did you have lots of fun? Did you like your lessons at school today? Did you help your teacher at school today? Did you have a good day at school today? Did you have lots of fun? So as I told you, you have to rewrite this song on your notebooks. Okay? Please, students, after this song, here we have lesson 4, phonics, and it is about long vowel sound, U. So today we will learn about this long vowel sound, which is U, and we have 3 patterns on the book. It means you can recognize this sound through these 3 keys or the 3 patterns. When we have double O in the words, it means we have long vowel sound U. Or you can say through this sound or through this double O, you can get long vowel sound U. And you have to read the words in this way: moon, boot, noon. You know what does mean noon? Noon, it means nuero. So moon, boot, noon. You see? Can you feel sound U? Moon, noon, boot. You have to make it long. Another pattern, when we have U, which is followed by E. Wata U manhabu ladwa yaksir E hatibu. At this time, this sound will be long vowel sound U. So like blue and glue. And I added one more example, which is clue. Clue, it means balga, goliman. Balga. Okay? So, blue, glue, and clue. You have to read them in this way. The last pattern, or the last key, when we have U with the magic E. It means when we have U and followed with one of the consonant sounds, and at the end of the word when we have E. So at this time, this U will be long vowel sound U. Okay? Wata lawya au yuwa dangi ki chebe berzu dreji abe. So you have to read the words in this way: tune, okay, tune, tube, and huge. In Kurdish we'll say ton. Toni موسيقى كنا. Tune, tube, and huge. Huge, it means very big. Okay? Huge, it means very big. So that's all about long vowel sound. Oh, and here if you come down, we have this chant. So I'll read the chant for you. Then you have to draw a circle around those words, which is, you can find out them double O, U, E, and U plus consonant sound, then magic E. It means when you feel that this word has got a long vowel sound U, you have to draw a circle around it. So it's Tuesday night and I am not at school. You see, I have got glue and tubes and paint that's blue. I make a toy flute. I look up at the moon. It is a hot June night and I play a tune. You see? Is it clear? So please draw a circle around those words that you can find out long vowel sound U in them. Students, please pay attention. I did this exercise for you and it says match and write. Here we have these 6 pictures. You have to write down their names and then you must match the word or the picture with the correct pattern or the correct key. Here the first word we have glue. Okay, as I told you, you have to read it in this way. Glue. We have long vowel sound U and you have to match it with this pattern because we have U, E. Number 2, you have tube. Okay, tube, we have U, consonant sound, and magic E, so you have to match it with this pattern. Moon, we have double O with this one. Blue, we have U, E, so with this pattern. And tune, it means آواز ياخد tone. Okay, in Kurdish, as I told you, you'll say tone. So you have to match with this pattern because we have U with one of the consonant sound, then we have magic E. And the last word is boot. You have to match it with double O. So it means we get a long vowel sound U through this pattern, which is double O. So dear students, please focus on your homeworks. It's on page 102, okay, on the workbook. And here we have unit 14. The first exercise says write. Here we have these pictures, so you have to write down the picture's name. And then if you come down, we have this exercise as well. Choose from the words above, right? Okay, when you finish this one, you have to bring these words and put them into these spaces, but please pay attention about their meanings. Okay, and if you move to the next page, it's about grammar. We didn't study this one yet, so please put a cross on this page. It means don't do it. Then move to page 104. It is 104. Here we have this exercise, and it's about this song. Okay, it's about this song. You have to do it as well. And after that, on page 105, pay attention, page 105, we have lesson 4 phonics. We have these 3 exercises, and it's about long vowel sound, U, and it's your homework as well. Okay, so that's all about your homework and about our today's lesson. So please try to do all of the exercises, and don't forget to rewrite the words on your notebook and put them into a correct sentence. قول لك أني من هوام ويا كجورال بن بتوانن هم ركعان تما بعشيب كان أما جواني أمر مانبو وهوام سودي لي ببينو وچنجارك ستوري كاب خوين نو بهمانشيوا هاو بنگورانيا كا واتسونگا كاب لنو practice لسر phonic كشبكن long vowel sound U, I mean. Okay, good evening. So have a nice time and bye bye.